Alright guys. Alright, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these pillars black. That's what I'm gonna be doing today. It's a bit windy. I went ahead and took out the door panels. Let's get started, boys. If I wanted to listen to some trash, and the dog hates the song. I'm not watching no video, dude. All right, guys, hold on. My brother says that there's a song. What's it called? Move. Move by Dojo Cat.
It's Moo. Okay, hang on. So the song is called Moo, like what a cow makes, the sound Moo, by Doja Cat.
That's already trash.
If you listen to it, it's funny, but this guy says it's annoying.
It's freaking annoying.
No, it's not. Okay, the reason why is because if you listen to all the other artists, they try. It seems like they try so hard to make a song and make it rhyme and who knows what. But
which is sometimes trash.
Yeah, I know. Where they slap random words together, and then there, boom, put some beats to it, and then you get a song. No,
XXX Temptation, whatever.
This one, she takes the most simplest thing about a cow and sings it. Just talking about a cow.
But the beat's not good. The lyrics are trash.
No, then you didn't even pay attention.
They say something about old MacDonald had a farm.
Yeah, but
that's annoying, dude.
No,
that's annoying.
Nah, y'all listen to it and let us know what y'all think.
Give this video a thumbs down if it's trash. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. But dude, that's an ugly song.
No, it's not. If you take the time to just listen, hey. In the music video, it makes it even better.
I'm gonna watch the video and I'm gonna give you my own opinion. I'm gonna watch it right now. Hold on. Alright, so Moo. Oh my god. How many views?
A lot.
Oh, it's been a year ago. It's old.
I know. That's good.
Bruh. Listen to it. I'm gonna cut it out. I'm just gonna get my reaction if whatever it's just showing boobs right now.
Bitch, I'm a...
Listen to it. She has French fries in her nose. Dude, just listen to what? Just listen to it, bro. It's already annoying. See, cause you don't have to try so hard to make a song.
Bitch, I'm a cow. Bitch, I'm a cow. I'm not a cat. I don't say now. Bitch, I'm a cow. Go
Moo. Moo. That's annoying. Moo. Okay, so she made this song in her room with a green screen. Cause this is when she first started, or what?
No.
Okay, my opinion, the song sucks. Listen to it. I listened to it. Moo. Oh my god. The only reason people look at it, okay, no it's not. The only reason people look at it because of the butt and the boobs. That's the only reason people watch it. Because of the butt and the boobs. Dude, this song's trash. I'm all mad now. Boy, get out of here with that garbage. I can't even dance. This is trash. Basura, basura. Sweet, bro. I'm using a highlighter, in case y'all were wondering, to measure the distance from one side to the other. So I'm doing a 1/4 inch and a 1/2 inch on the actual stripe itself. Alright, we're gonna start wrapping this area over here. We might need to use the heat gun. We'll find out here in a bit. See that pink marker is on the right inner side? It's because that's where I want to be able to wipe it off. When you're doing that stuff, I recommend putting it at the side that you'll be able to wipe it off. Make sure you get it, you pull, and then you just push it down. And try to aim it right from up here, from like up here. Try to aim it like looking down to make sure you get it right. Okay, so to take this off, lifeless tape, this is what I do. Make sure you leave a whole bunch of it left over. That way you don't have to damage it in case you fail. So what I do is grab it at the edge, pinch it, and then pull hard this way. And then there you go. But this is why I said leave yourself room, because of something like that and something that doesn't cut sometimes if you don't do it right, and you'll be struggling. Just cut it all the way through.